Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So John brought us his beautiful CVO Trike for an audio upgrade and a wiring rescue. So there was a bunch of things done wrong on the bike. We had to strip all the wiring out and start over. His LED wiring was a mess. There was a controller under the seat that he couldn't access. There was a large amplifier installed in the fairing that wasn't powerful enough to run all the speakers. He had a marine subwoofer in the trunk that was installed and ended up breaking because the angle it was mounted in. So we went ahead, stripped everything out, modified the trunk, went with two 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the trunk, powered by a 3000.1, upgraded the battery to a lithium. We swapped out the front amplifier for a more powerful amplifier to be able to drive the 4 mid-range DS18 speakers that he already had, cleaned up all his LED wiring, and the most disturbing thing is this is CVO. It's a very expensive bike. They chopped up all the factory wiring harnesses to do the audio in a way that didn't even make sense. Then they grounded everything, the LED lighting, the amplifiers. They grounded everything to the frame halfway between the fairing and the battery. Just 2 more feet and you would have made it to the battery. It was a bunch of stuff. We've documented everything. You could see what we've systematically fixed everything step by step. Upgraded the ground wire, grounded to the frame, upgraded the ground to the battery, ran all the amplifier power and grounds back to the fuse distribution block by the battery. Did a 3000 in the trunk, nothing in the tour pack, and the other amplifier in the fairing. It was so much better, so much cleaner. System plays way louder now, has 4 times the amount of bass as before. He's happy, we're happy. Check out the build. So the factory harness is cut and spliced into. We're gonna have to cut it all back open and solder it back to factory and use an NVS Audio T harness. Oops. That shouldn't be there. Oops. That shouldn't be there. So this was the woofer that was previously installed. Didn't work out too good for that woofer. But new setup's gonna work a lot better. Before we start working on it, just wanted to let you know everything's still factory. We did not do that. So instead of using the speaker plugs, they just tapped in both sides. So no water cover. Water's obviously getting on the amp. You can see the rust in the screws. We're getting all kinds of noise. It's because 1, cheap RCAs. 2, look the way this amplifier is hooked up. And we have a bunch of cut and splices. So we have a set of butt connectors there. Then all this wire was all bunched up and taped together. More splices. More splices. This wire was crimped under the gas tank and pinched. Carpeting on the speaker pods, I get it. A little bit of insulation, I like that. But look at how they crushed this wire. And it got crushed on both sides, look at that. That side and that side. That's not good. This is the first time I've ever seen quick disconnects at the amplifier. Not sure, I guess if you want to quickly change your amplifier, I guess.
When I get home, got you making decibels. I like you in the red. When I put that ass to bed, oh, you gon' get us kicked out with that moaning. Fell low on the door this morning, saying that.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. 'Cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention.
Okay, we had a fight, so what? Don't act like you never done me wrong, hold up. So I got mad and I called a tow truck and it ended up costing you $454. But should've never yelled like that. You know me, you know that I be yelling right back. You know what I'm about and you know where my mind's at. And if you're gonna disrespect me, then I'm gonna fight back. But anyway, yes, I hit the club. Anyway, yes, I did get buzzed. Anyway, yes, I thought about stuff and I realized I think I'm a little messed up. Cause I drank 5 shots cause my girl said F her. Girl, you don't need him if you gon' be disrespected. Girl, you right, I hope feeling is less. I'm like, yeah. Now I'm on the phone talking with you cause I'm drunk and I missed you in the room. And I called to say what's up and what you doing. Who you there with? Would you like me to come on? Now here I go again, I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me that wants to wrap around your dreams, yeah. Have you any dreams you like to share? Dreams of loneliness like a heartbeat drives you mad. And the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost.
Killer. Bass is loaded. Zeke on first. Santana on second. Jim on third. Yeah. I'm in back. I'm about to hit this shit out the world. Killer. Clap.
And I'm only 24, but bitch, I've been through it all. I got so many hits, can't remember them all. While I'm taking a shit, look at the plaques on the wall. Y'all just sit back, get your kick back, keep on acting like you did that. Got no respect when nobody else is faking like. You ain't really who you say you are. So pick up the past, there ain't no slowing me up. Get the fuck out my face, can you stop blowing me up? Cause my time is expensive, 1 million sentence. Bought a new car for you, woke up for breakfast, yeah. Cause I ain't never seen me fall on.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. John took the 3-hour trip from Pennsylvania to get the audio upgraded on a CVO Trike. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
I'm completely ecstatic. It's awesome. Unbelievable.
Thank you for trusting us.
Well worth the money.